There may be cases where you have a form that you are sending to someone. It could be a link, or it could even be a form that is on a web page that is accessible online. And you don't want everybody accessing that form. It's sensitive data, or you just want certain people to complete that form. And that's a perfect situation for adding a password to the form. And that you can do with HappyForms with a premium add-on. Then you will get this kind of display here where it says enter your password, access form. Click in there, type your password, click on access form, and this will open the form that you can fill in then and send it. This is a great way of protecting it. Let's see how you do this. Here I am in my WordPress administration area, and we go to HappyForms and select all forms to begin working on the form that we want to throw that password on. I'm going to use this one, Performance Review Demo. Click on it, and then from the editor and sidebar here, I will select Setup. Under Setup in the Pro version, all of these will become available, and over here you will see it says Require Password. Select that, add the password that you want to use here. Here you add the placeholder text in the field. Type your password, and over here the button. So let's say we call this Submit. In case they give the wrong password, here you will give the error message. And that's as simple as that. Update it. And then when you go to the front end of your form and you refresh it, you will see that protection for your form. As simple as that. This is a pro add-on. So if you go to HappyForms, and you can follow the link in the description below, and you go and look at features, you will find that the password protection is one of the pro features that they have over here. To get to the pro features, have a look at pricing. They've got 3 options there: starter, business, and professional. And you can see here that password protection is part of all 3 of these packages. Choose one that suits you the best, and usually there's a deal going up there for $40 discount today. This is JP here at Websites for Beginners. Stay safe. See you around.